What day is today? August 2nd calls its friends by name, sandwiches ice cream between two cookies, and hands a coloring book to every adult who needs a break. National Friendship Day, observed on the first Sunday in August since Hallmark created it in 1930, celebrates bonds that outlast circumstances and the people you choose to keep. National Ice Cream Sandwich Day honors the summer treat, first sold by New York street vendors around 1899, still selling 300 million units annually. National Sisters Day falls on the first Sunday in August, celebrating the bond that is simultaneously the most competitive and the most loyal. National Coloring Book Day celebrates the adult coloring books revival. Beginning around 2015, it became a billion-dollar stress management industry. American Family Day encourages families to spend the day together in whatever configuration makes sense. National CAD Day marks computer-aided design's contribution to architecture, engineering, and manufacturing. Call the friend, make the sandwich, share the coloring book, send this to whoever is actually out there celebrating today.